Today, I'll show you how to turn any photo into a highly detailed black and white pencil sketch, focusing only on the face, completely free. In this video, we're going to test the same AI prompt on two different photos to see how well it captures facial details, expressions, and realism. The goal is a tight face-only sketch. No shoulders, no background, just clean, hand-drawn pencil and charcoal realism. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, go to gemini.google.com. Once the page loads, click on the plus icon and select Upload Files. I'll upload the first photo we'll be using for this test. All right, uploaded. Now that the image is attached, we need to tell Gemini AI exactly what kind of sketch we want. This is where the prompt makes all the difference. For this tutorial, we're using a high-precision pencil sketch prompt. It instructs the AI to crop tightly to the face, remove all background elements, and recreate the image using fine graphite line work combined with soft charcoal shading. The prompt also emphasizes realistic skin texture, detailed lips, expressive eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows, and subtle nose shadows, while keeping the exact facial structure and expression unchanged. I've included the full prompt in the video description. Simply copy it and paste it into Gemini along with the uploaded photo. Now click Submit and allow Gemini AI a moment to process the image. All right, the first result is ready. As you can see, the output is a clean, high-contrast pencil sketch with smooth gradient shading, sharp highlights on the lips and eyes, and a professional hand-drawn look on a pure white background. Now let's repeat the same process with a second photo. I'll upload the new image, paste the exact same prompt, and submit it again. And there we go. The second sketch is done. This makes it easy to see how consistent the prompt is across different faces. In both cases, Gemini AI preserved the likeness, proportions, and expression while delivering a realistic artistic portrait sketch. Let's download both images and place them side by side with their original photos. The difference is clear. These look like detailed pencil portraits drawn by hand. And that's it. You've successfully transformed photos into high-quality black and white pencil sketches using AI completely free.